In today's video, I'll teach you how to redeem promo codes in StarPets. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in starpets.gz. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of StarPets. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now in this interface, you can see various options over here. What you have to do is click on the profile icon that you can see right over here on your screen. At fifth, you'll be able to find this option for promo codes. So what you have to do is click on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to redeem the promo code. If you do not have the promo code to redeem, you can click on this option, get promo code, and you'll be able to select the platform through which you'll be able to get the promo code. Now once you get the promo code, click on the field of promo code. Now enter the working promo code over here. Now once you do that, what you have to do is click on this option, activate promo code that you can see on the screen. Now if your promo code is correct, your promo code will be activated and redeemed, and you'll be able to get access to one of the available rewards. So like this, you'll be able to redeem the promo code. So that is how you redeem StarPets promo code. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.